What's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you the best email marketing platforms that you can use to grow your business in 2021. You want to make sure you stay to the end of the video because that's where I'll be comparing these platforms side by side, including pricing, features, benefits. That way you get a better idea of what's going to work best for you and your business going forward. Also, if you need a little help getting started with your email marketing, I have a little surprise for you at the end of this video, so you want to make sure you check that out too. If we haven't met before, my name is Alonso, and I spent the last year testing out different email marketing platforms on all sorts of audiences across all sorts of niches. So today I wanted to share with you some of my favorite ones so that hopefully I can help you make a better buying decision when it comes to growing your business with email marketing. Before we get into the good stuff, we should answer one simple question, and that is, what is email marketing? Email marketing is the use of email to promote products or services while developing closer relationships with potential clients. It's pretty much direct marketing, except electronic. Now here's a shocking stat that I think you'll find interesting. I don't know if it's completely true, but I got it from Google, so I think it has to be true. Email marketing has been and remains one of the best email marketing platforms even in 2021. It produces a return on investment of $42 per $1 spent. That means that for every $1 spent, you get $42 back. That's a winning formula if you ask me. I personally like to roll with Russell Brunson's definition, which he says that you can expect to make $1 per every name on your email list. This means that if you have 100 qualified leads in your email list, you can expect to make $100 per month from your list. If I haven't convinced you to start building your first email list, or at least grow the one that you already have, then that means you don't like money. Money! And if that's the case, I don't think this is going to be the right channel for you. But if you're still watching, I'm going to introduce you to your first roadblock that you're going to face sooner or later. That challenge is simply just finding a way to get people to give you their email address. If you have thousands of followers and maybe really good friends, you could try spamming your social media and asking people to give you their email address, but for most people, they're not going to give you their contact information just like that. A really effective way to collect email leads is to just bribe people. That sounds a lot worse than it actually is, so let me explain what I mean. You could set up a landing page and exchange something like an ebook, a checklist, or a template in exchange of people's email address. This is a win-win scenario because they get something of value and you get a sweet, fresh new lead. Another way that works really well to collect email leads is personality quizzes, and I've been doing this for the past 6 months now. I'll link a tutorial somewhere on this video on how to make one, but you pretty much build a personality quiz, and then at the end, before the participant can receive the results, you ask them if you could actually email them the results instead. These type of quizzes actually perform extremely well, and I'll leave a link somewhere on this video so that you can actually go to the tutorial and learn how to make one yourself. And now let's get into our actual list. I'm going to be reviewing 4 different software options, starting with number 4, which is Mailchimp. Let's get into my computer so that way we get a better idea of what the pricing and all the benefits look like. Now that we're in my computer, I do want to say one thing, and that is that not all email marketing platforms are one size fits all. Although I can get pretty close and tell you what the best of the best is, I just want to say that it really just depends on what you need for your business. For example, diving into Mailchimp here, you see that they have a free option, an essentials, and a standard, which are pretty affordable in my opinion. So starting off with the free option, I would only go with the free one if you're just trying to get a feel of what email marketing is. They give you up to 2,000 contacts for free. However, you won't be able to actually do any sort of segmentations or automations for that matter. You're very limited with their free version. It doesn't actually get good until you go up to the standard package, which is $14.99. Once you're at the standard, you can actually start doing campaigns and get a little bit more advanced with your email marketing. If you are an affiliate marketer or dropshipper or maybe even a content creator, I would not recommend Mailchimp for you. This is because Mailchimp has very strict restrictions when it comes to the type of links that you can send to your email subscribers. For example, if you're an affiliate marketer and you're sending out links to ClickBank products or other affiliate networks, they automatically get blocked by Mailchimp and your emails just won't get sent out. Similarly, if you're a content creator and you partner up with different brands and they give you a special discount code or a special link that you can send out to your subscribers, those will also get blocked by Mailchimp, so you won't be able to send those out. So if you're any sort of influencer or digital creator or an affiliate marketer, I would definitely recommend staying away from Mailchimp. Alright, going with number 3 is ActiveCampaign. Here I'm getting, weirdly enough for this video, I'm getting targeted for a 50% off offer. I'm not going to pretend that you're going to be able to get this as well. I think it's just a seasonal thing, so let's just pretend for the sake of this video that the light plan is $15. With ActiveCampaign, you can send affiliate marketing emails, you can send brand sponsored emails. You have more freedom as far as the type of links that you can send because they're not being restricted. You have pretty much all the tools that you would ever need as a beginner. If you use a different type of software to collect your leads, they actually make it really easy, and most of the time they're compatible with ActiveCampaign because it is another one of those names that is pretty big in the marketing world. One of the only downsides to ActiveCampaign that I was able to come up with is that it does start getting more expensive the more people you have on your list. So as you go up to 1,000, then now this becomes $29. So ActiveCampaign is one of those softwares that it does become pretty expensive once you add more people to your email list. That is just something I would keep in mind if you have a lot of people on your list, or if you plan to grow your list to more than 2,500 people, then it might start making sense to look at these other types of software options. Now we have AWeber coming in at number 2. This is hands down, I think, the best email marketing software for beginners if you're either affiliate marketing or going to be sending out a bunch of links to your subscribers, because it doesn't actually cost you anything to start, and you don't have any limitations as far as how many links you can actually send out. The only downside to AWeber on the free plan is that you do have to have your double opt-ins turned on. If you don't know what a double opt-in is, it means that once somebody subscribes to your email list, AWeber will send them an automated message asking them to confirm that they want to be opted into your list. Now, the only reason why AWeber is not number 1 is because I did run into a little issue with them, and it led to my account getting closed down. Whenever I tried to talk to their customer service people, they took about a month and a half to get back to me, pretty much letting me know that there was nothing they could do. You're probably not likely to have a bad experience with AWeber like I did. I'm just telling you that if you do run into any issues with your account, their customer service is not the best. Alright, and getting in here into number 1, and my current email provider is Getresponse. Here is why I simply love Getresponse. We can start off by looking at the pricing. So you see that the pricing is very similar to the Pro plan on AWeber. The main difference being is that unlike Mailchimp, you can send any links that you want through Getresponse. Unlike ActiveCampaign, the starting plan is not at 500 subscribers, but at 1,000 subscribers. And thirdly, unlike AWeber, their customer service and their tech support is actually great. So if you're one of those people that relies heavily on tech support and customer service, I would definitely recommend Getresponse. Not only because it's the best bang for your buck, but because also their people are very helpful. You can also do a lot more than just email marketing. You can also create a website. You can also have a self-hosted landing page, a full sales funnel if you wanted to do that as well. If you guys are interested in getting started with some of the email marketing platforms that I mentioned in this video, go ahead and look for the links down below in the description. I will also link to a PDF I created. It has subject line templates that'll help you get higher open rates on your emails. So if that sounds like something that would help you out, go ahead and look for that link in the description down below. As I start this YouTube channel, I'm really just looking to improve my content week in and week out. So let me know how I'm doing in the comments. Subscribe, share this video, and let me know what questions you have about email marketing.